Hey guys, welcome to my channel, a new restoration. This time I'm gonna be restoring this old hand drill. I picked it up from my local car boot. I paid only £5 for it. At this stage I can't see any maker's mark, so I have no idea who made it and how old that is, but it looks pretty old to me. What do you think? How old that drill might be? 100 years old? Definitely someone in the past replaced the handle. Obviously woodworm signs. Yeah, but this big handle is not the original. You can tell by the color of them knobs. They are original. This is not original. Someone just put a standard looking handle, so we're gonna make it better. Okay guys, I'm gonna stop talking now and let you enjoy the restoration. See you later. After sandblasting, I have found the pin holding this gear together, but I think I'm just gonna keep it in because I don't wanna struggle later on to put this in together. It works perfectly fine. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put this part in Evaporust to get the rust out of these inaccessible places. I'm not sure if I want to take it apart, but yeah, maybe I'll try. Would you take it apart, or would you keep it as it is? I managed to sandblast inside. Again, maybe put this part in Evaporust to save me taking this part apart. Yeah, let's crack on. Okay guys, the restoration is finished now. I think it turned up quite nice. You can see how the drill looked like before. I really enjoyed turning them handles. They are mahogany wood and I use copper pipe as a ferrule. I think copper and mahogany goes very well together. I'm really happy how it turned out. And yeah, I painted the main body of the drill black. The rest of the parts are polished and cold blue. And yes, it is Miller's Falls number 2. We managed to save some lettering. It's nearly perfect restoration, guys. I'm saying perfect because nearly perfect because I have a confession to make. When I was welding, I made a mess out of this part. I'm not a good welder. I haven't done it many times, so yeah, I just melted through the metal here. I'm quite gutted about it, but it does work, does operate. Probably lost some value, but I don't really care. I enjoy the process. I enjoy making new handles, and it's a new experience for me. Every day is a school day. I probably need to practice on my welding skills, or try to do this differently next time. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comment below. I'm gonna leave you with some beauty shots, and I try to drill some holes with it. So hope you enjoy the restoration, and yeah, I'll see you next time.